Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is another volleyball Q&A. Welcome to it. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. You can like this video to help me grow. And if you're an old subscriber, what's up? Thanks for sticking with me. Okay, so once again, on Mondays, I answer questions about volleyball that I see on the internet or in my comments. So, y'all, let's just get into it. But before we do, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Why are my flowers wonky? What the freak? Follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Spotify. Also, I have a podcast. It's called Secondhand Embarrassment. It's like a lifestyle podcast where I talk about my life, student athletes, and I'm thinking about putting guests on there. I think that'd be really freaking cool. But yeah, I also have a merch line. It's on Teespring. It's also in the description. You can go check that out. I also have a lifestyle vlog channel, second little channel. It's called Jacoby. I vlog on there, so make sure to go check that out. Okay, now we're gonna pull up some questions. Pull up, hop out at the after party. Okay, so Hannah says, hello, my name is Hannah and I'm a junior in high school. I am doing a volleyball skills course this summer with a organization, but I am not playing in my high school. I don't think I will get recruited, but I wish it were possible to do or even play in college, question mark. Okay, so hi Hannah. Hey girl. What I would say is that, well, first of all, I just made a whole video about that before, or is that video going up after this? Ooh, I don't know. But basically, playing at school is not the end-all be-all, so you can still work on your skills and stuff outside of school, like at a rec league or a club team or whatever it is. So what I would say to that is that there's always colleges looking for players, because how many colleges are in the US? Like a lot, hundreds, thousands, I don't even know. There's a lot of colleges out there, so really it's just about finding your colleges that you like. So I would suggest like making a list of colleges that you potentially want to go to, or whatever the case may be, and you can mix it up with like D2, D3, NAIA, JUCO, D1, just mix it all up and find schools that you actually genuinely like that you would go to if you didn't play volleyball, and you will be golden. It's fine. You can get some, make sure you have some film of yourself playing or practicing or doing like a skill video, whatever. And you can email it to that teacher, you can email it to that coach. Also, I have a video on that already, how to email a coach, so I would suggest go checking that out because it gives you some really good information on how to format your email. So yeah, that would be my response to Hannah. It's definitely possible to play in college if you don't play high school. Like honestly, a lot of my friends didn't play school volleyball, but we were like a really talented area, so you really don't have to play school to go to college. Like this girl that only played club and she quit high school volleyball and she went D1, so it's really just relative. Okay, let's find another question. Okay. Hi, I am late to this, but could you please do a video on jump serving? I know the basics, but I can't seem to put it all together. Okay, so hi Lindley. So I will be doing a video on how to jump serve because I don't know why I haven't done that already. But yeah, so basically the basics of jump serving is your toss and your jump and your arm swing. So if you already have the basics of serving, like standing serving, which would just be your toss, stepping into the ball, your firm hand contact, your elbows up, you're not swinging wildly, then you pretty much can jump serve. Oh, my boyfriend Snapchatted me. Okay, sorry. Love him. Okay, anyways, so you can literally just like, it's kind of like putting the pieces together. So you kind of want to approach the ball like you're hitting, so left, right, left if you're right-handed. If you're left-handed, I'm so sorry. But literally swing your left, right, left, jump, and then serve. You don't want to like do it all in one fluid motion, but I will explain that more in a video because that's way too much to unpack in this video. But those are the basics. I really tried. It's easier to show you than tell you. Okay, so if I back it up, is it fat enough? If I throw it back, is it fast? Okay, so this person says, sometimes when playing in a game, it can be a little hard for me to keep up or think fast. Do you have any tips for that? So the question is, are there any tips that I can give them that will help them think faster or keep up with the flow of the game? So one thing that I still have to tell myself is that just expect the ball to come to you, because volleyball has a funny way of always exposing people who aren't ready. So I say you just have to stay ready so you don't have to get ready. But yeah, so basically you just have to expect the ball to come to you. Even if the ball is like on the other side of the court and there's no way that the ball is gonna come to you, expect it, because you literally never know. Like, the person can mishit it and it'll come right to you, and then you're not ready and you're like, oh my god, and the ball hits the ground and everyone's like, what are you doing? So that's all I'm saying, is basically just be ready all the time. And then once you realize the ball is not coming to you, you're like, okay, whoop, switch your mind to what your next task is to do. In my case, it'd be going out to hit. So I'll be okay, run, be ready to hit, wait on the set, okay, then didn't come to me, base, cover, or whatever. So basically it's just kind of like checking off the list, like, okay, in a rally, like, my job as an outside hitter, okay, playoff blocker defense, okay, the ball's coming to me, the ball did not come to me, okay, run outside, wait on the set, I got set, hit the ball, I didn't get a kill, go back to base. Kind of like that. I kind of make like a mental checklist, and people probably think that's kind of weird, but it really helps me in staying on top of it. But I'm definitely guilty of just standing there like, oh, it's not gonna come to me, and then I'm like, oh shoot, and it does come to me. So don't be that person, because it's not fun. Okay, more questions. Oh my god, I completely forgot to reply to this. Okay, this person said, do volleyball coaches accept tall liberos? By the way, thank you for the tips. You're welcome. That's so nice. Okay. Do volleyball coaches accept tall liberos? Yes, absolutely. On my D1 team, our libero was my height. She was pretty much 5'11", 5'10". So yeah, tall liberos are fine. Honestly, I see that more at Division I schools, that the liberos are pretty tall. But yeah, tall liberos are great if you have the skills. If it doesn't matter how tall or short you are. So yeah, go for it, girl. Let me respond to this comment right now, because I literally, like, forgot. Okay, so I'm gonna be like, hi, yes, coaches do accept tall liberos. It's really about your skill, or defensive skill, and serve receive. For example, comma, good grammar, on my D1 team, I spelled my wrong, whoops. On my D1 team, my libero was 5'10", 5'11", however tall she is. Maddie, if you watch this, I'm sorry. Okay, so this one person said, hi, I have been thinking about going to the USA to play college, and I really want to play D1. Do you think it's possible? Yes, there's a bunch of foreign players in the D1 ranks, especially because usually foreign players play a different kind of style than American girls, so it's a really good weapon to have. So yeah, you can definitely play in America for sure, for shizzle. Okay, I hate myself, I'm so sorry. I don't like myself. Okay, let's see, I can like hear my bra moving around. That's so annoying. Okay, club moment, I'm chicken. Okay, oh my god. Okay, this person says, should I start emailing and calling coaches during the school volleyball season, during freshman year, or when club season starts? Okay, so, ow, my eyebrow. It's always good to be emailing people, so I would say go ahead and send your school email or whatever, send your email during the school season, and then, during club, you can just, like, double down on that and be like, oh, here's my club footage, here you go. So it's kind of good to have, like, you can like double down, so you can be like, here's my school footage, and like here are the tournaments we're gonna be at, or whatever, blah blah. And then for club, you can be like, this is my club footage, and this is the tournaments we're gonna be at, like that. So yeah, I think it's a really good idea. Go ahead and do that, girly. Okay, any tips on how to be more aggressive towards the ball? So I would say just to be more assertive. I guess that's what they're asking, is how to be more assertive towards the ball and like kind of call it, I guess. I would say just call the ball really loud and just be confident that you're gonna get a good pass. And also that comes in practice too. The more you call the ball, the more your teammates will trust you to take the ball. So volleyball is all about kind of like trust-based relationships. So say one girl calls the ball and the other girl next to her doesn't. People are gonna expect the girl who called the ball to take it. And even if it's kind of like silent and no one really calls the ball, the girl who calls the ball more times than not, people will expect her to take that ball just because she has been assertive in the past and has proved that she will take the ball and be assertive. So it's all about being communicative with your teammates and just really establishing, like, in practice, that you will talk and that you will call the ball, because that way people will trust you to actually take the ball. So that's my 2 cents. My foot's literally falling asleep. My leg. Any advice on how to be a better volleyball coach? Ooh, I like this question. So I coach club in my off season sometimes. So I would say tips on being a better coach. That's actually a really good question. I would say mainly just be understanding, because first of all, it really depends on the age group you have. If you have a 17s team and they're not passing free balls, get mad. I would be mad at that. But if it was 11s, I would try to work with them more instead of being more yelly or just yelling at them. I would try to be more constructive, like, okay, like, if you need to do this and this will make your passing better, because at that age they don't really know any better. But if they're 16, 17, get on them, because they know better. They know they're just being lazy. So also, I would try to make practice more fun, because I know in my case, like, when I was playing club, I was like, this is so boring. Or some days I'd be like, this is so much fun, because we'd be playing, like, everything was competition based. Like, everything was so high paced and fun. Like, sure, we didn't get that many breaks, but it was so much fun, because we were always competing against each other. We got to scrimmage, we had to play 4-on-4, 5-on-5, or queen. So it was always really fun. So that's what I try to do in my practices, just make sure everything's nice and fun, but still kind of a workout. It's like a disguised workout, because I don't like making my girls run necessarily, but I rather them be doing something volleyball related and getting cardio at the same time. But I will make them run if I absolutely have to, but I really don't like to. But yeah, that's my advice for a volleyball coach. I like that question. Ooh. Alright guys, that's it for this Q&A. I really hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.